Samsung Galaxy phones include many powerful features that most users never take advantage of. In this video, I'll show you 5 hidden Samsung Galaxy features you should enable in 2026 to make your phone smarter, more productive, and more secure. Let's get started. Feature 1. Edge panels first. Open the Settings app and tap Display. Scroll down and select Edge panels, then turn the feature on. Next, tap Panels to choose the panels you want, such as Apps, People, Tools, Clipboard, or Weather. You can also tap Handle to customize its position, color, size, and transparency so it's comfortable to use. Once enabled, simply swipe inward from the edge of the screen to open the panel instantly. Edge panels give you quick access to your favorite apps, contacts, screenshots, and useful tools without returning to the home screen, making multitasking much faster. Feature 2. Dual Messenger. Go back to Main Settings, scroll down and tap Advanced Features, then select Dual Messenger. You'll see a list of supported apps like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or other compatible messaging apps. Turn on the switch next to the app you want to duplicate, then tap Install and confirm the disclaimer. After installation, a second version of the app will appear with a small badge on its icon. This feature is perfect if you want to use separate personal and work accounts on the same phone without constantly logging in and out. Feature 3. Auto Blocker. To improve your phone's security, open Settings menu again, then go to Security and Privacy and tap Auto Blocker. Turn the switch on and verify your identity using your fingerprint, PIN, or password. Auto Blocker helps prevent unauthorized app installations, blocks potentially harmful commands through USB connections, and adds an extra layer of protection against suspicious software. It's an excellent feature to keep your Galaxy device safer from unwanted threats. Feature 4. Battery Protection. Return to the settings, tap Battery, then select Battery Protection. Turn the feature on and choose Maximum Protection. If your phone is running One UI 7 or newer, set the charging limit to 80%. Limiting the maximum charge reduces battery wear over time, helping maintain battery health for much longer. It's especially useful if you keep your phone plugged in overnight or charge it frequently throughout the day. Feature 5. Circle to Search. Finally, back to settings one more time, tap Display, then Navigation bar and enable Circle to Search. To use it, simply long press the navigation handle or home button. Circle any object, image, or text on your screen with your finger or S Pen, and search results will appear instantly without switching apps. It's one of the quickest ways to identify products, translate text, look up landmarks, or find information while browsing or watching videos. And that's it. Those are 5 hidden Samsung Galaxy features you should enable in 2026 to boost productivity, improve security, extend battery life, and make your phone even more useful. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next one.